And we are his portion, and he is our prize. Drawn to redemption by the grace in his eyes. If his grace is an ocean, we are all sinking. And heaven meets earth like an unforeseen kiss, and my heart turns violently inside my chest. And I don't have the time to maintain these regrets when I think about the way that he loves us. Oh, how he loves us. How he loves us. How he loves us.